Header flames up. Both dragsters locked down. Hayes from Brown's tires, and there it is again. Shawn Langdon back-to-back, 377.5, 335, in a massacre the likes of which Al Capone executed in 1929 is happening in Top Fuel.
And we're going to get that Diamond Wally in the hand of Shawn Langdon here at the Route 66 Nationals. And Shawn, we talked to you at the very, very beginning of the day just how unstoppable you guys were in this quarter season to kick off 2026. Brian Loans just called this a dream season for you. How would you describe it?
Dream season with the dream team. You know, I didn't do nothing special today. I just wasn't messing up. And Brian and the whole Kalitta Air crew, they gave me such a great race car. We went into Q4, hadn't made a run down the track. We were number 14, and we turned it around in Q4, and then thing was just on rails from there. So, you know, great job to the team. You know, Connie's at home, so want to say hi to him, and we got another one for you, Connie. But everyone at Kalitta Air, everybody back in Michigan. You know, we got Mobile One and Mac Tools, DHL. You know, everybody with Gerber Collision and Glass. You know, thank you guys for sponsoring the race. But 2 in a row, that's pretty good.
Flames are up. Side by side, finish line stripe, it's going to be green. 394.5 beats a 396.5, and that final round absolutely delivered. And these guys have done it for the second time this year. Who'd have thunk it?
And Chad Green is the only funny car driver to hold 2 Diamond Wallies here in class this season. And you're going to want to go look back at the replay of the reaction from your team at the starting line. What was the reaction for you inside of your race car?
Well, first I have to say happy birthday, Lexi. This is both my daughter and both our birthday weekends. I can't think of a better way to end it than this right here. So I want to say that first, but let me just say, I got to say hats off to my team. I got to make a big deal about that because, you know, as a driver, we get all the recognition and glory, but this truly is a team business. And without every one of these guys, it's B-Pro, Logan, Boncoat, Car. If they don't do their job perfectly, we don't put on 4 win lights. So hats off to these guys. Can't say enough. Thank you. Woo.
And Greg went red. Greg Anderson goes 96 thousandths red, and Aaron Stanfield for the first time since Reading of 24 in Elite Motorsports for the first time since Indy of last year are winners.
Matt Smith, as I get over to Aaron Stanfield, who gets to add a Diamond Wally to the Elite Motorsports collection, and the first Wally since last season. And Aaron, you knew what the competitor was in the next lane, but there was a red light. Did you see it?
Absolutely, I saw the red light, but you know, our team's been waiting on this moment for a pretty good while, and you know, we thought we were going to get we got pretty close in South Georgia. This is to all those guys that put huge sacrifice, you know, to get our program turned back around and competitive. And a big thank you to JHG, Melling, Joe Janik, you know, all our partners that stand behind us when we're struggling. And you know, and this is just goes to all the hard work, and it's very, very special. And you know, I'm glad to be back in the winner circle.
And Smith pulls one of his own tricks on his wife. Backs out of the beams and rolls it back straight ahead. Angie goes straight in. And Angie Smith's motorcycle didn't budge. Smith's bike didn't move. Matt goes down to 683 at 185 miles per hour. And Matt Smith has won back-to-back races, and that couldn't have been more weird.
Matt Smith keeps shaking his head up here, just said, I'm happy, but I'm so disappointed. Said you feel like that you stole this one from your wife, but in your search for yet another championship, how will that add to it?
I mean, it's going to add to it, but, you know, it's a long season. But, you know, I just feel bad for Angie because she had the best bike all weekend, and we had a transmission problem last round. We swapped trannies, and I saw him struggling to burn out, knew there was a problem, but I was hoping it was all fine. But this Denso, Redline Oil, Mark Stocksets in the house, Outlaw Beer, VP, Max ECU, everybody helps us, thank you. Worldwide Bearings, Vance and Leathers, thank y'all.